Hey everyone, welcome back to BTech. Today we are diving into an incredible tool called CGDream. With this, you can take full control of your visuals, creating stunning images and 3D models using AI with various customization options, filters, and 3D controls. Whether you are working with text, images, or even 3D files, this tool has everything you need. The link to this website is in the description below, so stick around to see how it works and what you can create. Once you click on Start Generating for free and log in, you will be greeted with this interface. At the top, you will see options like text to image, and 3D rendering. We are going to start by generating a photo using the text to image feature. Let's ask for a female blonde painter with glasses in her studio. It can be as detailed or as simple as you want, giving you full control over the outcome. And on the right side, you can find several settings. The image aspect ratio allows you to adjust the dimension of your images. For portraits, stick to 1:1. For larger canvas, go for 16:9. Then I will set the number of variations to 4, which gives me a grid of 4 images. The prompt guidance bar tells the AI how closely to follow your prompt. A higher value means a more defined output. Then you can choose the model. They have also included the Flux model. And you can toggle the private option to keep the created images exclusively for your eyes. Private images will only be visible to you and other users won't be able to view them. And there is also negative prompt feature, which allows you to exclude something from your generated outcome. Then you can either hit the Generate button or the Dream Up button. The difference is that Dream Up enhances the prompt with additional details, resulting in a more visually appealing and creative image. We will try both using the same prompt. Click on the Generate button, and here you can see the results. Now I will hit the Dream Up button to see if there is any difference. As you can see, Dream Up expanded the prompt by adding more details, resulting in a more creative output. It's much more dynamic. You can use Dream Up whenever you are not sure what to include in the prompt and want an extra hand from the AI. Okay, now let's try a new image with filters. Enter your prompt, and next to the prompt field, you will see an option with a ton of filters that you can apply to your image. This is super handy as it lets you apply a specific style without having to type it into your prompt like other AI image generators. As you can see, there are plenty of filters. Each filter comes with a slider to adjust its strength, giving you the freedom to tweak the style to your liking. So you can try different prompts with different filters. You can add up to 5 filters to enhance it, adding special effects with just a click. Each filter comes with a slider to adjust its strength, giving you the freedom to tweak the style to your liking. Click on the Generate button, and here you can see the results. And if you want, you can also upscale your image by 2x. You can also convert the image into a 3D model or use the in-paint feature to modify any part of the image. For example, let's say I want to add sunglasses to my cat. I will mark the area with a brush tool, enter sunglasses as the prompt, and hit Generate. And just like that, the tool does an amazing job of adding sunglasses to my cat. If you are happy with the result, you can download it directly. And it also allows you to upload a reference image. You can transfer style from an uploaded image, or transfer structure from an uploaded image, or upload a reference image to guide generation, or upload a reference 3D model to guide generation. Let's upload a reference image. And here is my office room. I want some paintings on the wall. Let's choose the filters. Let's try the plant filter, and you can choose other filters which you like. And here you can see the results. And you can remove any filter previously applied to avoid them influencing the new creation. And now let's click on Dream Up. If you are out of ideas, simply use Dream Up without providing a prompt. AI then will use its creative powers to generate random captivating image. Or additionally, you can use Dream Up to enrich your prompts, resulting in more visually appealing images. Now let's move on to 3D model creation. You can either upload your image or choose from a library of 3D models. Let's pick a car from the library. Once uploaded, you can rotate the model to choose the angle you want to generate your image from and enter a prompt like vintage 1930s racing car. Just like before, you can apply filters. And here is the cool part. You can apply 3 to 4 filters to enhance the design and adjust their strength. After clicking generate, the 3D model looks awesome. And for another example, I will choose a 3D model of a room and write luxury living room as the prompt. Just like with other images, you can apply filters and adjust their intensity to get that extra creative edge. And that's it. With CGDream AI Image Generator, you can create realistic images, transform them into 3D models, and use powerful editing tools like inpainting and filters. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to take their visuals to the next level. CGDream also has an active community on Discord where you can find advice and support. Another cool feature is the challenges. These regular challenges help you improve your prompting skills and give you a chance to win premium subscriptions for free. Free plan allows you to generate up to 20 images per day. However, keep in mind that free images cannot be used commercially. If you want to speed up the process, keep your images private and have commercial rights, you will need to opt for the premium plan. So don't forget to check the link in the description and start creating for free. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.